there, and then you start adding your extensions. So that you do that by going to extensions, to settings, sorry, then under PBX, then under extensions, you will see the options to add. You can either add as a single extension or in bulk. You can edit the extensions. You've got the option to import or export an extension list if you've got one. The next step, okay, it's actually showing you how to add the extensions, the information where you actually have to enter the information. So under extensions, you can go to basic. So under basic, that's where you put the extension number, the format that you want to have. If you want to have a 3-digit number or a 4-digit number, you find it on this page. You have also an option of adding the number of concurrent registrations. The maximum on a Yeaster Cloud is 4 concurrent registrations. So it means that you can register that same extension on your desk phone in the office. You can register one at home, or you can register one on a soft phone. The passwords that you get on the registration page, they are predefined for security reasons. You can customize it to the one that you desire, and you can also edit your caller ID if you want to give it if you want to display a certain ID, or if you want to display a certain name, you can change that under the caller ID name. So these are the options that are available when you're adding extensions. You can also do a bulk add. So a bulk add, it's also dependent on how many extensions you have on your PBX. So like I said, our minimum, when you order a cloud PBX, our minimum number of extensions that we can sell to you is 4. And with those 4 extensions, you get a single concurrent call. So how it works out is this: if you want to buy, for example, 20 extensions, 20 cloud extensions, it means that you get one free concurrent call for every 4 extensions that you have. So if you buy 20, it means that you will be eligible to get 5 free concurrent calls with that on that PBX. So to do a bulk add, again, you go into settings, then you go on the extension page, then you click bulk add. Then when you click bulk add, it will give you options. To add options for the number of extensions that you want to have. So let me just see here. Okay, I think okay. So I think this is the right page that I want to show you. So when you're doing a bulk add, it gives you options. Option number 1, you go and click on bulk add. Option number 2, the extension start range. So this you can define it to what you want to have on your PBX. Then the number of extensions that you're creating, you will find it on option 3, where you can add 5, for example. And you can also set the concurrent registrations on your extensions that you are setting up. Then after that, you click save. Then after clicking save, you get an orange tab on the top right hand corner of the screen, something about here that says apply. Then after, for every change that you make, you need to click apply so that it can come into effect. The next step, okay, all right, I'm going to continue. So what I'm sharing now is my my PBX. So I've logged into it. So let me just take you step by step. So you go to settings, then you select core control trunk, and let me see if I've got extensions. Yes, I've got extensions. I hope you can all see. So I've got 3 extensions there. Okay, so when you're creating your outbound route, you can just name it to say, let me just call this one out route 1. So the dial pattern, this option for dial pattern specifies what numbers you can dial. Say, for example, if I'm using X dot, it means that I can dial any number between from 0 to 9, right? And the dot means that the string is unlimited. I can dial 10-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers. I can dial 20-digit numbers. The PBX will still allow you to go through. So if so normally this is the standard route that you get when you try to create any outbound route. It comes as X dot, which means it allows anything, right? uh Let me just quickly add a trunk. I'm gonna create something so that at least we have something to use for the purposes of demonstration. Okay, so I'm going back to my core control. So now I'm creating an outbound route, which I'm gonna call out. I'm gonna leave my pattern as it is. Then I'm gonna move my trunk. So this is the trunk that I'm gonna be using, for example. So I'll move it to the right hand side. Right. Then I'll select. I can select extensions that I wanna use. So I can use extension 1000, 1002.